Speaking at a woman for ED function in Masvingo, the tenderpreneur Tagwirei says, wealth and army are one and the same thing. Sanapina mashoko atuna kuti amwe critics auya achiopoza mashoko aTagwirei ekuti aiwa panguva inoi wealth pamwechete nemauto chinhu chimwe chete zvinofambidzana hand in hand. Anova kuti macritics vaiva vakataura zvakasiyana-siyana pamusoro pemashoko ake. Toiba wasubscribe like on the bell icon. Pane anakakubatirai nhau aiwa zvitevera after Tagwirei atora mashoko aya. Pana pamwe muchinzi, he says, I want to ask, is there a child here who is 18 years old? May they stand up. Is there anyone who is 20 years old? Is there anyone who is 30 years old? Very good, sit down. Exactly. I want it because you're expecting to be given something. That is the story I am going to narrate. Anobva averengesa that verse 18 yamunogana yakanzi, thou shalt remember the Lord thy God, for it he will give thee power to the wealth. God is the one who gives you power to get the wealth. God is the one who gives you wealth. Now this word, wealth, is one that I want to explain, so that I tell you the president wants to give you what exactly when he says he wants to give you wealth. This is the word that has been used, and it can be exchanged with the word army. God is the one who gives power to get wealth. So when you have wealth, you have an army. Do you understand? When we have wealth, you have an army. You are able to fight. You are able to protect yourself. So the president wants to give us army that can protect us. An army that is able to fight for us, because if we don't have wealth, we will not be able to fight other people who will fight for us. Mashoko anobuda chinyungwa panapa achitaura naTagwirei. Mashoko aya achitranslatewa nevanhu achidzi, this is Tagwirei's ascension to power. Ndokuraiza kwari kuita ndokuti anozikanwa kuti ane wealth. So panguva inoi achiuya achi-involve mu-active politics is just a way yaari kuya panapa achiti, I want to protect you all just because I've got the wealth. Kana ndine wealth ndafananidzwa nemauto, ndine army, I'm going to protect you. Mashoko vanhu macritics atora zvakasiyana-siyana pamusoro pemashoko ake. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi nemashoko ake. Penda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.